Hello everybody, my name is Nirmanyu Kishore from 12C and I've secured a state rank of 36 and an all-India rank of 350 in the CLAT 2026 examination. Coming from an IGCSE background, my teachers here at Greenwood High have been extremely helpful in helping me adapt to the new syllabus and familiarizing myself with a new style of learning. I'm extremely grateful to them for all this help and support they provided throughout my journey here at Greenwood High. That's the thing that makes Greenwood High so special, it's the people. My teachers, my peers, and everybody here at Greenwood High have been so incredibly understanding and supportive and have helped us at every step of the way. If I had to describe my journey here at Greenwood High in one line, it would have to be a roller coaster. There's been ups and downs, but it's been extremely memorable. I'm lucky to have had a great time here at Greenwood High. Well, the school contributed by creating an atmosphere of competitiveness and encouraged students to strive for success. And this, as well as the very ethos that is instilled in our school, which is striving to be the absolute best, is what pushed me to succeed in the CLAT examination.